Tiltrotors are here. The first fuselage and the first wing and nacelle structures are ready to be mated for the first flight of the first Bell Boeing V-22 tiltrotor aircraft. Tiltrotors are here. Boeing Helicopter Company and Bell Helicopters Textron, the companies with over 30 years of combined experience in tiltrotor technology, present the revolutionary new Tiltrotor V-22 Osprey. The V-22 is the world's most versatile multi-mission airplane. With the tiltrotor's unique capability for taking off and landing vertically, and transitioning to turboprop airplane flight while aloft, the V-22 offers a combination of speed, range, and flexibility never before available. In its airplane mode of flight, its turboprop efficiency allows it to fly ferry routes of more than 2,000 miles without refueling. A conventional helicopter with comparable lift capability takes 5 days and aerial refueling to reach Europe from the United States. The V-22 will require no tanker support and can arrive the next day. Through its advanced avionics, it will be able to perform long-distance, low-level flight under cover of darkness with little likelihood of being detected. Terrain following and terrain avoidance equipment will enable it to maintain high cruise speeds throughout the mission, despite low altitudes, bad weather, and hostile environments. The first flight in June will introduce a totally new aircraft, incorporating new ideas, new materials, and new manufacturing techniques. It is the first production aircraft with an airframe to be fabricated almost entirely of composite materials, chiefly graphite epoxy solid laminate structures. Composite structures weigh about 25% less than their metal counterparts, offer good resistance to corrosion, good ballistics tolerance, and ease of repair. Also, the composite airframe and buoyant fuel sponsons give the V-22 flotation characteristics sufficient to eliminate separate emergency flotation systems. The V-22 is designed to be easily maintained. Large cowling allows quick access to nacelled components for inspection and maintenance. Special panels provide built-in work platforms for safety and convenience. These platforms are at the correct height to allow work to be performed on any major component with a minimum of effort. The wing of the V-22 can be rotated parallel to the fuselage to create a compact rectangle for storage in small hangars or aboard ship. This unique solution places the V-22's wing, rotors, and engines directly above its fuselage. These characteristics particularly enhance the ability of the U.S. Navy and U.S. Marine Corps to maintain, operate, and repair the V-22 while underway at sea. V-22 avionics is fully integrated with all other aircraft subsystems through 2 onboard data processors. Computer-driven displays will provide the pilot with engine, navigation, and subsystem information. Pilots will be able to access all aircraft subsystems and instrument readouts on 4 multifunctional color display monitors located directly in front of them. More V-22 Ospreys are coming together at our factory. Since these views were made, a second fuselage has been removed from the jigs for the addition of weighting elements, and a 30-foot test specimen is being statically tested. Full-scale development began in mid-1985 and will continue until operational flight testing is completed in late 1991. During this phase, 6 flight test aircraft will be built, with 3 additional aircraft being constructed for fatigue testing, static testing, and full system ground testing. Over 4,000 hours of development and operational flight testing is scheduled. The V-22 Osprey will satisfy the operational requirements for medium vertical lift of all 4 U.S. Armed Services through the 1990s. The U.S. Marine Corps will utilize the V-22 to carry 24 combat-equipped troops from ship to shore in a combat assault role. Marines will also use the V-22 to carry external loads of up to 10,000 pounds. The U.S. Navy will initially use the V-22 for combat search and rescue missions, special warfare, and fleet logistics support. They also plan on a variant to be used for anti-submarine warfare. The U.S. Air Force will exploit the long-range capabilities of the V-22 for their special operations. Its introduction will provide a vertical takeoff and landing aircraft with an exfiltration range compatible with the current infiltration range of the MC-130 Combat Talon aircraft. The U.S. Army will employ the V-22 in such multi-mission roles as combat assault, assault support, medevac, and core area operations. Tiltrotors are here. Project pilots from both Bell and Boeing have engaged in extensive simulator training programs in preparation of this arrival. They are ready. And the Osprey is ready.